Hey there friends, today is day 7 of the 12 days of baked goods, and today we're making a variety of Minnie and Mickey cupcakes that are vanilla, chocolate, and red velvet flavored. You can make each flavor from scratch, or you can get box cake for these, or you can add food coloring to the red velvet. There's a variety of ways you can do this, so you don't have to make multiple batches. But I have all my recipes in the description box down below. Now let's get started on these recipes. Here I have my chocolate cupcakes, red velvet cupcakes, vanilla cupcakes, some parchment paper, as well as my frosting. All my recipes will be down below as well for this, or you can use your favorite box mix for this. I recommend using American buttercream for this recipe. The one I used was Italian and it did come out a little more chunky, but once it gets to room temperature, you can always shape it. But if you want something smooth, I recommend an American buttercream. So then we're gonna do some dollops on each cupcake, turn them around and place them on the parchment paper, and then we will place these on a sheet pan to freeze. Then I'm gonna get all my sprinkles I will need for decorating. Here they are, and my chocolate bows. I'm starting with my red cupcakes, and for this I'm using my mixture of white sprinkles, placing them on the edges. Once you're done placing your sprinkles on the edges, just put it back on the parchment paper. For the chocolate one, I'm using a mixture of red, white, and green sprinkles. For my vanilla cupcakes, I will be placing these blue and white sprinkles, and as well I will be placing these gold pearls on the side as well. And here they are all sprinkled up. Then you're just going to carefully remove the parchment paper from on top. If you need to reshape the edges, you can do that now since they have been out at room temperature for a bit. And then we're going to do our Mickey designs on these. I also added some red sprinkles to these on top. I got my red buttercream and I'm just piping out these Mickey shapes. I put a bow on this one so it's a mini one. And here are the red velvet ones. For the chocolate ones, I'm using a green buttercream and just piping out the Mickey shape. And for the vanilla cupcakes, I will be using a blue buttercream to pipe out the Mickey shape. And here they are, there's the blue Mickeys. And that's how easy it is to make these Mickey and Minnie Christmas cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed these cupcakes. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which design and what flavor is your favorite. If you want to see pictures of these, I do have my social media links down below so you can follow me there. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.